All right. He says, DCSEO says, I lied about not having a question. I'm assuming the RYS expansion is the extension needed to target other key search terms and it's added to my SEO shield. Yes, you got it. Also, what's the best way to approach an eCom site with no physical address with regards to the shield? That's a question for you, Marco.
You don't need a physical address unless this is a local project. And if it's eCom, it shouldn't be hyper local. You're looking for something that's national or global. I've always said the approach is if you're local, it's brand plus keyword plus location, or brand plus location plus keyword, however you want to do that. That's how you brand. You relate everything to your brand and to the location where your brand is. If it's not, then it's brand plus keyword association. That's the only difference. And so how you approach that is you build out your brand. That's your entity. So let's put it this way. A physical address is part of a local entity, but is not necessarily a part of a global entity unless you want to set the corporate headquarters somewhere to give it just a little bit more validity, right? Amazon has corporate headquarters, so does Apple, so does Google, whatever. And you know exactly where those are. So if you want to kind of fake it till you make it, you would do something like that. You can set a post office box with a street address as your corporate address. Nothing stops you from doing that. Nothing stops you from faking the address, although eventually you'll have to clean that up. And imagine having to go back and having to clean up that fake address. That's a mess in and of itself. But just for this purpose, you can go and get an SEO shield and an expansion stack without a physical address.
There you go.